Ready for a free credit tip? Do you have debt collectors bugging you for an old debt? Check this out. This person does, and they wrote me a message saying how they've got an old debt that's nearly 7 years old, out of statute of limitations in her state, but debt collectors are still bugging her. What can they do? Well, you have rights under the Fair Debt Collecting Practices Act, the FDCPA. You can ask that debt collector not to contact you and ask them to send all information they have about you to the address they have on file. Be careful not to verify any personal information. Now, to help you out, there is a free resource under the CFPB's website. Go under Consumer Education, Debt Collections. It'll give you some resources and explanations of what you can do as under your rights under these Debt Collection Practices Act. You can go here even to get sample letters to send to the debt collector to get them to stop calling you. Need extra help in disputing negative items or rebuilding your credit? I've got the resource here. You can contact me directly by visiting this box here.